There's something so incredibly satisfying about making your own shirt, taking care of the details of a one-of-a-kind piece that you'll wear again and again. It's also a great opportunity to learn transferable techniques that you can apply to many more sewing projects in the future. Hi, I'm Tilly. I'm a best-selling sewing author, teacher and founder of the award-winning sewing pattern company, Tilly and the Buttons. If you've made some clothes before and are keen to learn new sewing skills while making an impressive project, I would love you to join me for my online workshop, Learn to Sew a Classic Shirt. Through a series of video lessons, I'll guide you through each step of making a timeless, relaxed fit shirt using the Frida pattern, which comes in 15 sizes. It has all the details you'd want in a classic shirt, with a choice of short or full-length sleeves, cropped or hip-length hem. Along the way, you will improve your sewing prowess with skills such as sewing a professional-looking two-piece collar with stand, constructing a bodice with a box pleat, lined yoke and dropped sleeves, making an impressive sleeve placket and button-up cuff, creating a curved patch pocket and securing it with edge stitching and bar tacks, tackling buttonholes with confidence, including troubleshooting and fixing mistakes. I'll even show you how to use your sewing machine to attach the buttons, and lots more. Not only will you finish the workshop with a gorgeous custom-made shirt, you'll also have become a more skilled, knowledgeable and confident sewist in the process. You can watch the video lessons from home whenever you like, as many times as you like, with no deadlines, and come back anytime you need a refresher. So sign up today and let me guide you through making a beautiful shirt.